If we always believe, we always think that we cannot do it. We can't do it. We're not successful. We're not able to be successful. We're not able to make it. I can't change. I can't transform. I can't do more. I can't be better. If we always think like that, it will always be like that. Why? Everything that you are now is what you thought before. Everything that you are now is what you thought before. So if you say that you want to be in this position, that you're going to be in this situation, verbally you might have said differently, but inside you believed yourself to be in a certain position, that you will reach a certain position. Oh, I can't stop drinking alcohol, I can't stop going out, or I can't sleep, or I can't do this, sleep is different. I can't do this, I can't do that. I can't make it, who's going to listen to me? I'm a nobody. That's right. But you need to realize that every single person out there in this world who is a somebody started out as a nobody. But they didn't believe that they can remain a nobody. They believed they can be more. Because they believed they can be more, they worked towards it, no matter what people said, no matter what obstacles, and they became more. If you choose to believe you cannot be more, you will remain no more.